Hi there, this is NikitaNet, and on the desk today is a power adapter. And there's a reason for such a simple device being on the desk, because there's a moral behind this story. This is an Arcos power adapter made by apparently the Shenzhen Tianyin Electronics Company Limited, made in the PRC, so People's Republic of China, made week 17, year 2019, and its output is 1 amp at 5 volts because it's, well, as you can see, a USB, so USB lead in here, and then a smartphone. It's a smartphone charger, and it's not good. I don't think I've used this all that much, but it's, well, making a buzzing noise, which basically means that the electronics in here are breaking down. And this is general for power adapters. When they start to hum that high frequency noise, they're done. Or they will be done quite shortly. And to be fair and frank, I don't like that in a product that's this new. Now, I've got a solution for that, and that is buy a proper power adapter. This is quality stuff. This is Apple. This is a 12-watt USB power adapter, or at least that is how it's labeled quite clearly here, clearly for me at least. And it's designed by Apple in California, assembled in China, right? And the output is 5.2 volt, 2.4 amp. And it's not new. It's surely not new because it used to belong to my mother. And I believe she never had an Apple product, which basically means she got it either new or second-hand, and I'm betting it's the latter. So this is a second-hand model which functions properly with my wonderful smartphone, because it charges it rapid enough, without buzzing, without humming, without zzz, and it's a good one. But be it a smartphone charger, be it another type of power adapter, once it, well, starts buzzing, get another one, because this is not good and it's not safe. Because when this thing goes out completely, hopefully not with a bang, well, let's just say it's unsafe. The buzzing, the humming is just an indicator that it's failing, and this one isn't, and this is quality stuff. It isn't a fake, it's the proper Apple charger, the 12-watt one, and that's good. So, when they go out, replace them, please do. Just saying, it's safer for you. This is NikitaNet saying thanks for watching, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.